What's going on, guys? So we're back, and today we are going to mount up the water pump onto the aftercooler, right? And after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and throw the gas tank back in, and then we're gonna start running the plumbing lines. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get working.
So we just got the gas tank mounted up.
Just to not all the way, just enough to
What you putting on over there?
safely.
Putting on the fuel filter.
Oh, are you now?
Trying to.
Oh, you can do it. Come on.
There you go.
So we got the gas tank all mounted up in this little water box thing.
Yes, the water box.
Ah, the water box.
That is
So as you can see, there's the fuel pump.
and the before and after fuel filters.
Yes.
Sitting pretty.
Now we're gonna begin working on the fuel lines.
All right, Jordan, what we got going on over here?
Right now we are sorting all of the hose fittings that we have received from Frigola Performance Systems. So these will connect all the fuel lines and water lines together. And we got that big crimp machine over there.
Oh yeah, big boy.
So we're just sorting them to, these are 12. So they're gonna be 12 straight, 12 at a 45 degree angle, and then 12 at a 90 degree angle.
Organization on point. Nothing in there yet, but
Now we're just gonna keep organizing and then start running the lines. So we have all these fittings for the fuel and water lines organized, as you can see. We haven't labeled all the bins because we gotta still figure out where everything's gonna go. Jason cut the adapter for the Hermod balancer, as you can see right here. We had to cut a little sliver off, so it'll mount evenly into the Hermod balancer, which is right here. So basically this will go right there, and an adapter will come out, which is right here. We'll add to this pulley, which will go into these grooves in this belt to wind the supercharger. So now we are going to begin the plumbing for the fuel and water lines. So yeah, stay tuned.
The O-ring always goes on the side.
The opposite side of the flare.
Yes, the opposite side of the flare. And like I said, this is a 10 to a 10. So we need 4 of those right there. So we need 1 there, 2 in the back. This one is going to be an 8 to an 8. This one right here is going to be a 10 or an 8 to a 10 or 12 if we got it. I don't really know. I have to look through there. So in the back of this valve cover right here, this is going to be a 12 to a 12. You know, there should be a 12 fitting, you know, flared on one end, the other end will be an O-ring that's screwed in there. So a 12 and a 12, 10 to a 10, an 8 to an 8. There's one right here. And that may be what we have to use, but I'd like to find one, well actually this ain't the one, this is just one I got. I'd like to find one that's a 10 on that end and a 12 on this end, which would be a little bigger. I don't know if I bought this, we'll have to see. But like I said, this 8 to 8, and y'all can take these out and just put those over there.
I don't think.
This 8 to 8 this is exactly what we need right here. But there'll be another one over there somewhere that looks just like this, but it'll be cut off right there and there'll be an O-ring.
Okay guys, so this is the wrap for today's video. Unfortunately, we didn't get to running the fuel and water lines. Stuff just didn't work out, and our day kind of got time consumed with the coils. And hopefully we'll start running those lines in the next video. So yeah, anything?
Yeah, so hopefully we'll get to running the water lines in our next video. Like Jordan said, we went ahead and mounted up the coils onto right behind the engine block, and yeah, we'll catch you guys next video when we're back out here working.